is flooding. What can we do? Don't worry, my friends have a solution.
Hello everyone, we're from Singapore International School. I'm Quentin.
I'm Dominic.
I'm Fred.
And I'm Julian.
In early September, Hong Kong was struck by Typhoon Sala and a torrential black rainstorm.
There was severe flooding in local areas such as basement car parks, train stations, and street front shops.
This damaged the property of the shops and the infrastructure of the train station,
as well as the vehicles inside the basement car parks.
So, how can we solve the problem?
We need to protect the areas from flooding and rainfall for people using public transportation such as the underground train system.
Shop owners and car owners with their vehicles in flooded underground car parks as well.
We have created a smart floodgate for the MTR station that blocks out floods. It activates a barrier when it senses floods.
This is called SAFE, which stands for Smart Anti-Flooding Environment.
Firstly, there is a water sensor at the entrance of the station.
An alarm will sound when there is a flood, and it will activate a gate that will block out the water.
There are microbits at the gates that will tell you to go to a specific gate.
There will also be neopixels to guide you where to go.
If the other exit is unsafe too, then both microbits will signal for the refuge area.
Here's an example of the gate blocking the flood out.
Thank you for your time and attention today.
Goodbye!